After a few weeks of traveling south in Chile down here to Patagonia, I finally found myself here on the banks of the Futeleufu at this amazing camp, Bio. This little piece of paradise right here on the Futeleufu, one of the best rivers in the world. Perfect, crystal clear, turquoise water. And it just seems to be the Groundhog's Day of Kavu days here, one after the other. So stoked to be here, can't wait to see what this place brings and all of the experiences that the next few weeks have in store. Bienvenidos al Futeleufu. Yoo! The quality of the whitewater, the quality of just this water in general, this turquoise blue water flowing straight out of these Patagonian mountains into one of the most amazing valleys, some of the most beautiful rapids, and the whitewater is just amazing. There's 4 hard rapids on this river that sort of get the blood flowing a little bit, and the rest of it is just the most fun, incredible whitewater. So it's like this perfect balance of difficult whitewater with just really fun paddling. Incredible showing up here to the Bio camp because it's just a gathering of a bunch of really good friends that all share the same passion for the Futeleufu and same passion for life and the lifestyle that we love to live. And so it's just been non-stop humor every single day here at Bio, combined with some of the most amazing kayaking in the world. And I just couldn't be happier being here. And 1 week went by way too quick, and I got invited to stay for another, and 1 week has turned into 6, and Still sitting here with Reno at the BOBO bar. Rope swing behind me. Futeleufu flowing. Gracias, BOBO. Salud.